You've decided it's time to get your first bike. Goosebumps, right? Freedom, speed, rebellion, all rolled into two wheels. But hold up. How do you choose the right one? What if you pick wrong and end up with a garage ornament instead of your weekend escape? Stick with me for 5 minutes, and you'll walk away knowing exactly how to choose your first motorcycle, without regrets and without draining your wallet. Let's start here. What kind of rider are you becoming? Are you dreaming of long road trips, or just slicing through city traffic like a caffeinated ninja? Cruisers, sport bikes, dual sports, they all look cool, but only one fits your lifestyle. Choosing your purpose first makes everything else fall into place, like Tinder, but for bikes, minus the ghosting. Next, engine size. This is where most new riders go, full fast and furious, and end up in the ER Start Smart. A 300cc to 500cc bike gives you thrills without turning you into a rocket-fueled ragdoll. Trust me, the adrenaline will still hit, and you'll live to ride another day. Now, about money. You've got your bike budget, sure. But did you forget about gear, insurance, maintenance, and oh yeah, gas? A $6,000 bike could turn into $8,500 real fast. Think of it like dating someone high maintenance. Fun at first, expensive forever. Here's what online reviews can't tell you. How a bike feels. Can you flat-foot it? Is your back screaming? Does it feel like you're hugging a gorilla? Go sit on the thing. Move it. Feel it. Your dream bike on paper might feel like a medieval torture device in real life. Now, the eternal question, new or used? Think of it like jeans. New is clean, safe, but pricey. Used, worn in, budget-friendly, but check for tears. Used bikes save cash and teach you to respect the machine. But always check service history and avoid bikes that have lived more lives than your grandma's cat. You are the average of the 5 riders you hang out with. Community matters. Talk to riders, join forums, go to local meetups. They'll tell you what no salesman will. And sometimes, they'll hand you a deal before it even hits Craigslist. This bike, it's not just transportation, it's your freedom machine, your confidence builder, your escape button. Choosing the right one is just the beginning of the ride. Now imagine the moment you twist that throttle for the first time. Wind in your face, engine rumbling under you. Yeah, it's that real. Still thinking it through? There's one ride you need to check out before you decide. The Yamaha T-Max 560. It's redefining what scooters can be and might just change your mind about what your first bike could look like. Tap the video on screen. Let's keep the ride going.